Okay, AC to AC converter, step down, cycloconverter, bridge configuration. So we use bridge configuration to step down the frequency. So we want to step down frequency. Okay, this is the configuration of bridge. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 thyristor. So this thyristor will be controlled by a controller to switch on or switch off the thyristor. Okay, so first we focus at the positive cycle. This part, let's say this one is alpha 1. So from 0 to alpha 1, there is no firing current to any of the thyristor. So that means all the thyristor will be off. So when all thyristor will be off, all the thyristor off, current is equal to 0. Current cannot flow. When current cannot flow, output will be 0. 0 volt. Okay. Output is 0. From 0 to alpha 1, output is 0. So at alpha 1, T2 and T3 is triggered. We supply current, we supply gate current to T1 and T3. So what happens is T1 and T3 will be short, switch on, others off. So when T1 and T3 short, okay, like this. T1, T3 short. So when T1, T3 short, current will flow, okay, a positive terminal, okay, positive form, like this, positive. So current will flow from A terminal, go here, go pass through T1, go to the load, okay, enter this one, I, enter load, go back to 1 cycle, complete cycle. So current enter positive terminal. This is V out. Okay, input is positive, output also positive. Positive cycle. Alright, positive waveform. Input is positive cycle, output positive waveform. V out equal to V in. Okay. So that means input is like this, so output will be same as input. From alpha to pi when we trigger T1 and T3. T1 and T3 switch on. So next from pi to alpha 2, this short off. So off circuit. So there is none of the thyristor will be switched on. So will be off circuit. At alpha 2, we switch on the thyristor 2 and thyristor 4. So we use thyristor 2 here. Thyristor 4 is here. Okay, during negative cycle. This one is negative cycle. Negative cycle. We switch on thyristor 4 and thyristor 2. Okay. So current will flow. This one go here. Okay. Go to the top. I. Alright. Input is negative. Output is positive. Okay. Arrow of current is always opposite to the polarity of voltage. So input is negative, output is positive. So input is negative, this one is negative, output is positive. Okay, you can see that output is positive at alpha 2 until 2 pi. Then after 2 pi, our input is 0, so all the thyristor will be switched off until alpha 3. At alpha 3, we trigger T5 and T5 and T7. Okay, when we trigger T5 and T7, T5 and T7 will be switched on. Okay, T5 and T7 will be switched on. This thyristor switch on, and this thyristor switch on. Okay, this one is during positive cycle. So waveform is positive. Current will go from here, go here. Okay, pass through T5, go to load, go to T7. Sorry, this one is T7, T5. Go to T7, go to load. Okay, this current. So voltage will be plus, minus. So voltage will be negative. Okay, and go back to input. Complete one cycle. Output is negative. Input is positive. Output is negative. Okay, from alpha 3, output is negative. Right, then at alpha 4, we trigger T6 and T8. Okay, T6 is here, T8 is here. Okay, this one is negative cycle. So negative cycle from here, T6 and T8. Right, so current will flow from here, go pass to T8, go to the load, go to T6, go back to input. Complete one cycle. So current this direction, I, so plus, minus, polarity will be negative. V will be negative. So V will be negative. Alright. Output is negative. Start from alpha 4. So we can see that positive, positive, negative, negative. Okay. Sign is positive, positive, negative, negative. If we accumulate it, become positive. And then alternate to negative. So this one is just one cycle, one period. One period and one cycle. One period and just one cycle. Compared to input, this one is output. Compared to input, one cycle. Okay, from here to here, one cycle. Then two cycle. Two cycle. This one is just one cycle. So means that our output is F out is equal to half of the input. Input 2 cycle, output just 1 cycle. Okay. Let's say this is our input. 2 cycle. Okay. 1 cycle, 2 cycle. Our output will be just 1 cycle. So input equal to half of the input. Okay, output of the input. Alright, this one is step down. So we step down our converter. Output is half of the input. We use bridge configuration. Okay.